How does plastic pollution affect seabirds? Have you ever wondered how plastic pollution impacts our feathered friends that soar over the ocean? It turns out the effects are quite alarming. Seabirds are particularly vulnerable to plastic pollution, facing dangers that threaten their survival. One of the most concerning issues is ingestion. Seabirds often mistake plastic debris for food. They may eat plastic directly or feed it to their chicks. This leads to plastic accumulating in their digestive systems, causing blockages that can prevent them from getting the nutrition they need. Imagine feeling full but not being able to eat anything that actually nourishes you. That is the reality for many seabirds. Chicks are especially at risk since they cannot regurgitate plastic. This can lead to high mortality rates before they even reach adulthood. The internal injuries caused by plastic ingestion can be severe. Birds may suffer from inflammation and scarring in their digestive tracts, a condition now known as plasticosis. This damage can hinder their ability to eat and digest food properly, resulting in multi-organ issues. Plastic does not just sit in their stomachs, it disrupts vital biological functions. For instance, it can interfere with kidney function, leading to harmful chemical imbalances in their bodies. This can increase uric acid levels and alter cholesterol levels, both of which are detrimental to their health. Moreover, plastic carries toxic pollutants from the ocean. When seabirds ingest plastic, these toxins are released into their bodies, increasing their exposure to harmful chemicals. Research shows that this ingestion correlates with signs of liver and kidney disease, as well as neurological problems. These issues can affect their ability to recognize songs and engage in social behaviors. The scale of plastic pollution is staggering. Currently, a large majority of seabird species have plastic in their stomachs. Projections suggest that nearly all seabird species will be affected by the middle of the century. Some seabird species that feed on the ocean's surface are particularly at risk. They often cannot easily expel ingested plastic, making them more vulnerable. Even remote islands are not safe. Seabirds there also suffer from heavy plastic ingestion due to ocean currents concentrating debris. Entanglement in plastic debris poses another serious threat. This can lead to injuries and impaired movement, often resulting in death. The combination of ingestion and entanglement further reduces seabird populations. From the perspective of seabirds, plastic pollution is a growing threat to their health and survival. Conservation efforts are essential to combat this issue. Reducing plastic pollution, preventing debris from entering marine environments, and cleaning affected habitats are all vital steps to protect seabird populations worldwide.